everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. I was a sharing fool and I sold some really interesting things in the month of May. All right, let's just get right to it. I'm going to give you the number that I earned. This is after fees, after shipping. So I'll give you that number, tell you what I paid for it, and then write down the difference right here on the board. We'll add them all up at the end and see how much money I earned for these 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. New with tags, a New Day Kimono Recycle Poly Cover-Up for swimsuit. $10.20 is what I earned, not what it sold for. It sold for $15, so that gives you a little bit idea on the fee structure. $10.20 is what I earned. I think I also gave a shipping discount, which is why it seems like there were a lot more in fees. $10.20 is what I got it for, and $2 is what I paid for it. So $8.20 are my in-pocket profits for that particular item. The next item I have is a New with Tags Exhilaration size extra large scoop neck dress with tie. That one, $5.25. Got that all a liquidation box for $2 as well. So $3.25 are my profits on that one. This one, I got a bunch of these. These are really, really cute. It's a alcove throw blanket, but it comes with cute little booties that match it. It's a red and black, and I've also got a purple set as well that I sold that comes with slippers. So $8.25 is what I earned. $2 out of a liquidation box because that was a really good buy for me from a I think from Bulq.com. $8.25 is what I got it for. So $6.25 are my sales or my profits. The next item I've got is a pair of Jaclyn Smith new without tag, no gap waistband, size 8 pants. $3.05 is what I earned. I got that from the Goodwill outlet, which is different than the Goodwill stores. 50 cents is what I paid for that. $3.05 is what I earned. So $2.55 are my profits on that one. And then the next thing I've got is a swimsuit. Perfect time of the year in May to be selling swimsuits. This I got from a new wholesaler for $2. $14.40 is what I earned. So $12.40 on that one bathing suit. It's really, really nice. It looks kind of like a Speedo with the higher neck. Then I've got my bundles. You know how I love my bundles. I sold 3 things in this particular bundle. A New with Tags, a New Day light pink chino stretch shorts. Then I've got a classic fit Aero Sateen 18.5 white shirt. And then I've got a 44 by 30 classic navy signature khakis. All 3 of those things. So this came out of my own closet, so I didn't have to pay anything for that. This came $2 out of a liquidation box. My total earnings were $10.20, and so $8.20 are my profits on that one. And then this, remember I talked about having sold something very interesting? This is the bundle that I sold something really interesting. So it's a bundle of 5 items, and yes, it is the month of May, and I sold a Santa Claus sweater. So I don't know if they do Christmas in July or what it is, but I sold a red Santa ho 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 sweater, and then I sold a pair of Paris earrings. So this sweater was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. The Paris earrings were $1, so I'm up to $1.50. This was also a Goodwill outlet buy, classic attention blouse with silver threads in it, so that I'm up to $2. Then I've got this tie that was about, let me see, about 25 cents, so I'm at about $2.25. And then this was $2 out of a liquidation box, so I'm at $4.25. $16 total is what I earned on that, and so I'm at $11.75 on that total. And so that is an awesome bundle that I'm super excited about. Then I sold this really cute purse. This is $2 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned. It is a inlaid clutch purse crossbody bag, so I'm at $1.25 for that one. I also sold another one in my last video, so if that looks familiar, it's because I had 2. My next bundle is 4 items in total. This is an Exhilaration kind of a sports bra. That was $1 out of a liquidation box. I had opened some Bulq.com pallets that had over 500 items in it, and so that was $1. This was $2 out of a liquidation box. New Cross Day faux fur slide sandals. These are put together, which is why it looks kind of different. That's what they look like. And then, so this was $2. I'm at $3. This was 50 cents because I've gotten this. This was an old buy out of a liquidation box before I even moved into this building. So I'm at $3.50, and then $2 for this baby doll sheer lingerie black and white set. So I'm at 2, 4, 650, and $26.20 is what I earned on that one, and so I am at $19.70 for total profits. Can't believe I could do that math. If it's correct, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm kind of doing math on the fly. And so the next thing I've got is a new with tags black patent Dominique kitten heel. I would totally break my ankle on these kind of heels, but more power to you if you can wear them and look cute in them. I got those for $4 out of a liquidation box, and $9.25 is what I earned. And so 9 minus 4 is $5. Sorry, $5.25. I can do the hard math and I get to the simple math and then just lose my brain for a minute. Alrighty, the next thing I've got is a JoyLab Cozy Tech Relaxed Fit Active Vest. It's blue in color. $3.05 is what I earned on that one. $1 is what I paid for it. And so $2.05 are my profits there. Then I've got, of course, another bundle. Love these, love these. 4 things in this bundle. We've got a pack of cotton stretch bikini underpants. And then I've got, I hit one too many buttons, a padded underwear bra. Then I have a nice shirt that I got actually from the Goodwill outlet. And then a pair of charming new with tags red jean legging fit jeans. So this was $2.50, $1.50. So I'm at $4, and my earnings were $15.64. I don't know why the weird number. So $11.64 for that one. All right, my next set is, like I said, this is a lot of sales that I did in the month of May. Lots of bundles. All right, so this was 50 cents from an old sale. This was $2. This is a Jillian O'Malley 36C Total Comfort Bra. And then this is another Hot Shapers Tummy Control Waist Trainer. And so I'm at $2.50. My earnings were, here's another odd number, $12.24. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to do a 50 cent off of 24. Let's see. We'll make it 25 and make the math easier for me. So $12.25 minus 50 cents would be $12.11. $10.75, and then do the other one. So $10.76. I think I did the math right there. You can yell at me in the comment section below if I did the math wrong. Okay. The next item I've got is another bundle. And this is a JoyLab crop top for workout. That was $2 out of a liquidation box. And then this is a robe. I thought it was just like the blanket, but it's not. It's a robe and slipper set. Really, really cute. Plush Elko fleece robe and slipper set. So this was $2. So I'm at, what did I say? This $2, $4 total. $16 for my earnings. $12 for my total profits after I pay myself back. All right, now we're going to shift back on down here. We sold some kids' shoes. These are some Surprise by Stride Right with memory foam kid shoes, size 8 for toddler girls. Those are $2 out of a liquidation box. $10.05 is what I paid. $8.05 after I pay my $2 back. Then I got another pair of kids shoes here. These are super, super cute. They got unicorns and lightning bolts, and they're Skechers and glitter covered for any girly girl. $20 is what I earned. $2 is what I paid out of a liquidation box. So $18 total for those kids shoes. So I used to be kind of a little bit of an aversion for selling kids things, but certain brands, especially Skechers shoes, seem to go well in the kids department. Then I've got a suit behind me. This is a gray striped suit, 56 regular. So for a big guy, this came actually right out of my husband's closet. Someone gave it to us, but it was too big for him. And so my earnings were $24. So I get to keep that whole $24. Then my next item I've got is a new without tags exhilaration crochet trim triangle bikini top. Perfect time, summertime. It's May. People are buying swimwear and type things like that. $3.25, $1 out of a liquidation box. So $2.25 is what I earned. Then I've got my fun bling bling hat for patriotic times. If you want one of these, I got a few more left, so check out my Poshmark store. This is a denim bling American flag rhinestone faded hat USA. That's the exact title. So if you want it, go ahead and look it up that way. Check the link below for my Poshmark closet, and you can find it there too. That I paid $4 for. $6.25 is what I earned. So $2.25 are my profits, and those ones I get brand new from a wholesaler. They're not used. All right, then I've got another bundle. Yay! So this is a flowy notations button down top with a shell insert. So that was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. This is an Ava and Viv No Gap black and white plaid blouse, and so this was $2 on a liquidation. So $2.50 is where I'm at. I got another weird number, $14.96. So I'm at $12.56. No, 46 cents, sorry. 46 cents, because I take 50 from 96. Alrighty. And then I have another suit coat that I sold. This is a burgundy kind of maroon one. It's a 50R 5-pocket coat. $5.05 is what I earned. Came right out of our closet. No, this was a Goodwill outlet find. And so that was 50 cents. So $5.05 minus the 50 cents is $4.55. Alrighty, just a few more and then we're almost done, and then we'll get to see the total that I made on this one. Lots of bundles in this, which I love. All right, so I've got a new with tags Wild Fable size long sleeve crop jean jacket. So it's kind of got, it's like cut off, but it's a crop jean jacket. This I got from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $12 is what I paid. So $11.50 are my profits on that one. Then I've got a Lane Bryant 44 Double D Underwire padded bra. It's a Kashik, I think is how you pronounce the actual brand, but it's Lane Bryant. Anyway, $7.05 is what I paid. We got those at Savers for $4 for those plus size bras. $7.05 minus the 4 is $3.05. Then we've got two more things I put over here in the chair because I ran out of table. This one here is a new with tags Hot Edition Wool Blend Maxi Walker coat. Remember I told you we sold some interesting things? Well, I saw a Santa sweater and then now a big wool long trench coat. So that's awesome. It's a size 1X. Those we got out of a liquidation box. That was actually $4 is what I paid out of that box. $10.20 is what I earned. And so $6.20 for that particular coat. Last thing we got going on here, and these came right out of my own closet. These are a set. I made my own bundle because individually these wouldn't have sold on their own. And so this was another interesting thing that sold. So I put them all together because they're all the same size. And they're basically George brand, which is Walmart brand, but they're 2XL, which I know plus sizes usually sell. And so I bundled them all together myself. So they came from my own closet. So the total earnings I get to keep is $3.05. So I'm going to add all this up, see how many actual transactions it is, and then come back and let you know what I earned. All right, so I got everything added up for these 2 days of sales on Poshmark and my fun, interesting sales. 25 separate orders for a total of $208.36. I got tons of bundles that I sold, and so that's always helpful with earning more money. Hopefully this helps to see what I sold in May on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.